Hi, I'm Tim from EcoQue, and today we're going to spend a few minutes showing you how to easily assemble and disassemble your 12-inch portable grill. First of all, place your grill base table on a level, stable surface. It's okay to place your portable grill on any type of table because all the heat generated in the grill is reflected upwards. Next, place the folding vented base piece in the table and then the folding firebox. After that, place your fire starter grate inside along with some fire starters. Above that, place your fuel grate and arrange the fuel either standing upright for a hotter fire or you can lay it down for a slower, slightly cooler fire. Today we're organizing the charcoal upright for a very hot fire. This will generate a fire between 700 and 900 degrees Fahrenheit. As you can see, we're able to accomplish that with only 9 briquettes of charcoal. After the fire is lit, we'd place our cooking grate inside and the grill cover on top to vent and control the heat in the cooking cycle. To fold up the grill, we just reverse the process and stack all the parts in the base of the table. After that, place the grill grate tool in the pouch on the side of the bag and slide all of the parts into the bag.